Hi, welcome to this video. Spreadsheets have features that allow you to slice and dice data and apply various conditions with filters to give you specific views of your data. There are a few ways you can do this, so here we're going to cover the column filter feature. We have a spreadsheet with data downloaded from Google Analytics showing us various sources by channel. So in column A, we have the traffic channel there that includes the direct traffic, paid search, organic, social, and other sources of traffic. In column B, we have the landing page that the user arrives on. Column C shows us the number of visitors, and that's how the table is sorted in this spreadsheet. There's also new users, number of sessions or visits, other page and session metrics, as well as e-commerce conversion rate, number of transactions, and revenue. So this table contains 500 rows of data. And at the bottom, we have the last line, which is a summary row for each column. Now, we'll start using the column filter function. What we're going to do is highlight the entire table without the last summary row we were just looking at. So first, when we highlight the table, click on Data from the top menu and choose Filter. Now you can see that each column has a funnel icon or an upside down pyramid next to it. If you click on it, you can see that each filter has the same functions listed. You can sort the table according to the values in the column by ascending order or descending order, by color or text colors if your cells are formatted in such a way. And if none of the cells in your table are formatted that way, then those options will be grayed out. You can also sort by condition by clicking on the drop-down menu here. These are the different conditions that you can apply. For example, if you use this text contains condition and type in a string like search and click OK, you can see all the values that include search in that column. Now, if I go back to edit that filter and delete that string, then it restores the table to the original view after I click OK. So what else do we have? We can filter by values, which is similar to filter by condition, except it lists out all the distinct values for you. You can clear the selection, select all, or select specific values and click OK. That will filter the data according to that view. So you can see that all the rows with direct or affiliate traffic sources are listed in this table. So let's go ahead and restore this to the original view. Now, if we go to a column with numerical values, we can also filter or sort this table by some of these metrics. We can sort according to revenue in descending order so that we can see the top revenue sources, the top Right, the top revenue sources as far as traffic goes, and the top landing pages that generate the most value or the most revenue. As you can see, direct traffic that brings users to the home page generated the most revenue. And that's in the top line there, the top row. You can filter by setting limits to the values that you want to see as well. For example, if we want to look for all values that are greater than or equal to a certain value, we can do that. So what we'll do is we'll look for values that are greater than or equal to $1,000. So I'll filter by condition and choose the greater than or equal to condition and input 1,000. We can see that, of course, the top traffic source is direct, with landing pages being the home page, men's apparel, and then a bunch of pages under the Google redesign subdirectory. There's also a Google Cloud brand page that only has 285 users in row 14 there. But it generated over $2,600. There are some other landing pages here, including the main store page, a search page, and other merchandise pages. We can also apply multiple filters at the same time. Right now, our only filter is indicated by this solid funnel or filter icon in column K here. So let's add a filter to the e-commerce conversion rate. This time we'll filter according to values with a condition. We'll use a filter to look for values greater than or equal to 5%. This way we can identify which pages have the highest conversion rates. So we'll look for that condition and input 5% in decimal form, in a decimal format. Click OK, and we see that the first 3 rows and the 5th row have conversion rates in the teens. So let's see what those pages are. Those are the basket page, which I believe is the shopping cart page, the sign-in page, and the store main page from direct traffic. But there's also a row with store main page from paid search. But this only has 6 sessions, so that's why the conversion rate is so high, with only 1 purchase transaction. That's not a big sample size, especially compared to the other pages. So that's how you can use column filters to analyze your data and view your data with different lenses. We've covered sorting the data with specific columns and applying filters by targeting values with conditions or selecting the values manually. If you want more insight on analytics, analyzing data to find insight, subscribe to the channel. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.